Let's learn and grow with Nemo.
Hello, kids! Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes! We're ready! Let's learn the table of one. Yay, yay, yay! Table of one. One ones are one. Say it again, nice and slow. One ones are one. One twos are two. Clap your hands and say with me. One twos are two, two. One threes are three. Show three fingers up so high. One threes are three. One fours are four. Stamp your feet upon the floor. One fours are five. Give a smile big and wide. One fives are five. Let's count together once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One sixes are six. Tap, 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 nice and quick. One sixes are six. One sevens are seven. Point to the sky way up to heaven. One sevens are seven. One eights are eight. Jump, jump, jump with all your might. One eights are eight, eight. One nines are eight. Spin around and make a line. One nines are nine. One tens are ten, ten. Count again with all your friends. One tens are ten, ten. One ones are one. One twos are two. One threes are three. We learned the table through. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Table of one we know today. Great job, kids. Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning and growing with Nemo.